Hey everyone, I'm Yana from Revolgy. Welcome to our Gemini for Google Workspace training. Gemini can help you work faster and get more done with less effort. But instead of just talking about it, let's see it in action. Over to you, Gemini.
Hey Yana, let me take it from here. Let's look at this email conversation. It's looked like David did not respond to my last email. Let's remind him. First, click a reply and then the button, Help Me Write. Write a prompt. Compose a friendly reminder about my last email, and then hit Create. The Gemini will generate an email for your review. If you don't like it, you can try to regenerate that or edit the prompt. Let's try regenerating. That's much better. Now you can insert it and send it. Now let me show you what can be done with the power of Gemini in Google Docs. Let's say I want to write a blog post about the benefits of remote work. With Gemini, I can just type in a quick prompt and watch it generate content in a few moments. And there it is, a complete draft with an engaging introduction, clear structure, and actionable takeaways. Next, let's summarize the content. Say I have a long section of text, but I want a quick overview. With Gemini, I can generate an AI-powered summary instantly. This is perfect for distilling key points from reports, meeting minutes, or any dense content. As you can see, there are many more options to choose from how to work with text. You can also refine generated text with additional prompts. We can open a side panel in the top right corner of a document. Gemini lets you reference linked files directly in your prompt using the @ symbol. I'll reference a data from our remote work, social pros and cons file to generate a summary. Once Gemini generates the content, inserting it into your document is as easy as clicking this arrow. Let's start with a blank sheet and open the Gemini side panel. We can say something like, create a table to track ingredient amounts for each drink from our campaign described in, and then find a document describing our campaign. After hitting enter, Gemini will gather information from the document and create a table. The table will appear in the sheet for your review. If you're satisfied, you can click Insert. Now, let's try generating a different table to help us understand costs and pricing. The prompt will be, create a table with approximate costs for each drink and suggested price. And the table is ready to be inserted. But the table is missing a profit column. Let's ask Gemini to create a formula to calculate the pumpkin spice latte's profit. Gemini will generate the formula for you, and you can insert it into the appropriate cell by clicking on the arrow below Gemini's answer. Now, let's just copy the formula for the rest of the drinks. Let's say I need to create a presentation on the benefits of sustainable energy. I'll put a prompt on the right side panel and have Gemini highlight major benefits of sustainable energy. And in just one click, I have content ready to present. I can tweak it or use it as is. It's completely flexible. If I do not like the picture in the slide, Gemini can help me create another one. I will just select Help me create an image and put a prompt with my preferred visualization. I can also choose a shape and style of the picture. Check this out. Gemini has created a beautiful AI-generated images of a wind turbine farm. I can choose which one I like the most and insert it into the slide.
And that's it. I hope this gave you a great first impression at what Gemini can do. If you want to learn more, we offer trainings tailored to your needs. Just reach out to us. See you next time.